Hey, what's good, fam? Today we back in the stew because Supreme is coming up, and low-key I cooked up on another pair of Yeezys, so I decided to put all that shit in one video for y'all. Hopefully you do end up enjoying this one. If you do, spare yourself and leave a like on this video down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So I'm gonna start off with the obvious part of the video. The teaser's out, bro, and I honestly don't even know what to make of it, bro. It's like this leather jacket with a bunch of shit going on it. I think it's cool. Would I buy it on release day? Nah, bro. Like, I don't even buy items like this in general, so I'd probably skip. I feel like if they were to throw this design on a t-shirt, it would probably be more suitable for me. It almost gives me that same vibe from the tee that we got last season. Low-key my last pickup with that Manhattan Supreme all over it. You had the train station on it. I feel like this gives me that same type beat. I don't know if I'd be down to pay leather good prices from Supreme, so I'd probably skip on it. I feel like it's interesting. I just want to see what else is coming out. Your boy got a whole mesh fitted on. Let's just say that to begin with. He's tripping for even deciding to wear the shit, and that's pretty much all we see on the teaser. It's like a New York street. You see the little pot light and shit. Has a Supreme box logo which almost looks embroidered on it. Little detail. Besides that, I don't know what to make of it, bro. Let me know what y'all thinking about the teaser. Are you even gonna be buying Supreme this season? It's a topic that I haven't even decided on myself yet, but yeah, that's the teaser. Second thing we had confirmed is the Supreme Hanes Paisley edition this season. We do normally get a little leopard print, little zebra vibe. This time we gonna get the Paisley, and if I'm being honest, I need some Vantas, bro, so I'm gonna go ahead cop the Paisley briefs, bro. It's a must cop. I definitely need these. I did see some pictures that they might come in multiple different colors, so we gonna talk about that when the time comes, but for now the black ones is where it's at, and I feel like I'm gonna have to get me a little pack, you feel me? I don't know about the tees, but the bottoms for sure. So it's been going around that this season we're gonna get a Supreme crew neck as far as the box logo goes, and they're also saying that we might get 2 to 3 box logos. As you know, they do the crew neck or the hoodie, then they slap that same design on a tee, but here and there we do get collab box logos, so we're expecting at least 3 BOGOs this season, you feel me? They're gonna keep pushing them shits out. They know people love that shit, so they're gonna keep giving it to the people. Supreme hype has been on a decline probably for like 2 years, maybe 3 at this point. It had like its little peak, and then after that shit started going downhill. I just hope we get a solid season for fall winter. I normally gravitate towards fall winter, so I feel like this should be a good one. Low key, it's the next day and I got a couple more leaks to go over. We got the Andre 3K photo tee. Boom. This is actually a good photo tee. It's been a minute since we gotten a solid one. These tees normally drop every week 1, in case you guys don't know, and I feel like the Andre 3 Stacks tee is probably one of the better ones we've gotten in recent years. It's been a minute since they actually did a wrap photo tee, so I'm excited about this one. Andre 3K being one of the pioneers in music, it's gonna be a banger, bro. I don't know if there's still gonna be resale for Supreme, but this is definitely a hype tee. Hey, we gonna need this one. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you. Second leak I have for y'all is the Supreme Rolly, bruh. This has been rumored to drop for a minute now, and Drops by Jay literally just posted a couple minutes ago that we might see the collaboration finally take place this season, bruh. I don't know a lot of us that have money to be buying a Rolly off rip, but yeah, if you do, this shit might be dropping this season, so let me know if you got the breadery to go ahead and spend on a Rolly. That's actually one of my lifetime goals, to be able to buy a Rolex and not feel like I'm losing money type shit. Like, I want to be able to afford that shit 10 times before I buy it. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop. This is actually a sample that released in 2013, so it's not gonna look exactly like this. I'm pretty sure it would look somewhere around those perimeters, if that makes sense. Now, the last leak I do have, and I forgot to talk about it yesterday, was the Supreme Gumball machine. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the ones that I need in my collection. Obviously, if it costs like $300-400, then they can hold that shit, but if it's somewhere near 100 or something affordable, at least, it's an item that I'm gonna decide to go for. I love Gumball's paws, so it is clean, and I feel like it's one of those Supreme accessories that makes sense, bro. Like, who the fuck else is dropping a Gumball machine besides Supreme? Banger, bro. Let me know if this is an item that you would pick up come this season. Low key, the lookbook comes out in 2 days, bro, so make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, because we going hard this season. I don't know if it's only gonna be Supreme content, whether it's sneakers, streetwear, conspiracies, we never know what's gonna be coming out. So make sure you stay tuned. We're literally 100 away from 20K, so make sure you subscribe. Let's get back to the video. There's rumors circulating that we're gonna get Supreme LV Part 2, which that would be hard as I know retail would be high, but hey, it's Supreme LV, can't go wrong. I forgot where I heard this, but some people are saying that Virgil actually put his hand and dabbled on that second LV collab. So if it's for sure that it's gonna drop, that shit's gonna go bananas. It would bring some resurrection to Supreme if they execute it the right way. We got a first look at the Supreme Blazers. If y'all been into Supreme for a minute, I believe in 06, 07, they released their Blazers, which came in like this red padded type beat with like some snake skin on it. They're basically redoing those. I don't know why. They could have literally just done a different blazer, but nowadays when Supreme does sneaker collabs, it's not the best. So I kind of understand why they're going back in the vault and bringing shit back. It's kind of what they did with the Star Supreme dunks. But as far as the blazer goes, I'd probably sleep on it. My unpopular opinion, I don't know if it's something that you guys would be fucking with. The only pair of blazers I have in my collection right now are the off-white blazers, and I haven't even put these on with a fit yet, so that says a lot, bro. I don't even know if I'm gonna end up keeping these long term. Kind of just been holding them ever since Virgil passed. I've been sitting on all the off-white I have. Blazer is clean, don't get it twisted, but it's just kind of tricky for me, especially with that snake skin. They could hold that shit. We're obviously gonna get more Supreme Forces, bro. The black ones and the white ones are coming back this season. They're probably gonna restock them every other week type shit. That's why I recommend to not pay resale for the Supreme Air Force Ones. Bruh, if you want your black Air Force activity, just get the regular ones. Same goes with the white. If you're gonna cop them, get them for retail. Never spend resale on the Supreme Forces. Maybe $30 over retail max. But yeah, Supreme Forces should be coming back on a probably bi-weekly basis. I know y'all remember the little eye mask that was supposed to drop last season. They're apparently saying that that's coming for fall winter. So hey, if you're trying to sleep cozy with some Supreme cheetah print eye covers type shit, this is what you need right here, bro. Might be coming this season. If this is something you into, by any means, bro. I don't know how the fuck people could sleep with that shit on. It's kind of weird for me. I can't do it, bro. That's some bird box type shit. So I'm gooch on most likely 80% of the shit that I spoke about. But the last leak we have is the Supreme Jeff Hamilton collaboration. Apparently there's this jacket going around and the shit is being rumored to drop for $15,000. If you cop this shit, you deserve 15,000 slaps, my boy. What are you doing spending $15,000 on a jacket? Buy yourself a car. You are literally on your electric scooter going to work with a $15,000 jacket on. You got a problem. I'm good on any jacket costing $15,000 now or in the future, bro. Like, we good on all that shit. To each his own, bro. If you big pimping, balling on no budget, this jacket might be for you. Shit still ass, I'm not gonna lie, but it might be dropping fall winter 22. If it's something you trying to save all your nickels for, here it is. So that's everything we have for Supreme. Low key, the lookbook drops in like 3 to 4 days, and week 1 is dropping like in a week or so. So yeah, prepare yourself, prepare your pockets, cause it's coming. I don't know if I'm going too hard, but if there's anything that I do like, I'm gonna end up going for it. I'm gonna try to film the lookbook for y'all, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, bro. But with all that being said, let's talk about my Adidas confirmed experience this morning. So a couple days ago, I posted a video talking about some sneakers and shit, which y'all can go ahead and check out if that's something you're into. Point being is, I mentioned that the Yeezy 700 V2s in the Vanta colorway was restocking, and it was live at that moment. So obviously I entered, you feel me, and y'all seeing right here, I put all my information in. Y'all already know the gist as far as confirmed goes. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, whenever these sneakers are dropping on Confirmed or Sneakers app, if you like the shoe, at least enter, bro. That's the bare minimum you can do, because if you don't do that, you ain't getting shit for sure. So I decided to enter. I'm like, yo, I've been waiting for these shits for mad long. Let me see if I could cook up. And this morning they were picking out the winners. I totally forgot. I kid you not. I go on my phone in the middle of work. I'm like, yo, shit said I got them. I'm like, oh shit, bro. The Vantas are coming in. Low-key banger sneaker. I need to see them in hand. It's another one of those that I always wanted. I feel like I tried to go for them on the initial release and I couldn't get my hands on them. But y'all already know that Adidas is pumping out these Yeezys left and right, up and down. They're coming non-stop, bro. At this point, give us the 750s, bro. When the 750s drop, I'm creating 20 accounts. No bullshit. I need those, but these right here, solid. Must cop. Definitely excited to get those in hand. I might even fuck around and do a review just because I can. So now I got the 700 V1s in the Wave Runner colorway. I got the Vantas coming in, which is the V2s, and I got the V3s recently, if y'all saw, in the Azale colorway. I got the full set. I'm excited to get those in hand so I could compare all three models. So far, my favorite still has to be the Wave Runners. They're unbeatable, bro. I feel like it's a sneaker that down the line I might have to double up on, but none of that shit is neither here nor there, bro. My confirmed account is goated, bro. I'm never gonna log out on my account. Basically, my page is top tier, bro. Yes, clap it up. We top tier on confirmed. That's what the fuck I need to be on sneakers too. They be playing. That's okay though. That's a topic for another day. At least confirmed be hooking it up for your boy. In like a month or so, I hit on 2 Yeezy slides. I hit on the 700s in the color I just showed y'all, and now I got these bitches on the way. So stay tuned. They're coming in hand. I'm gonna see what they look like, and I'm gonna try to do a little video with them. But that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Come on. More content is gonna keep coming. Low-key, I've been juggling a lot of shit lately, and it's been throwing me off my vibe, bro. But I'm gonna be back. I promise. I'm gonna come full-fledged. This is just my brain. I'm literally a one-man band, bro. Like, this shit is crazy, but we gonna figure this shit out at the end of the day. Leave a like on this video, subscribe. I hope y'all had an amazing day today, or yesterday, or tomorrow, bro. Whatever you want to do. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.